Welcome! Today, we're unlocking the secrets to creating the perfect pin on Pinterest. Ever wondered what makes a pin stand out? Consider this video your ultimate guide to success. Let's explore the key ingredients. Element 1. Matters of size and quality. The pin should be at least 600x900 pixels in a 2.3 ratio, but it's highly recommended to use dimensions of 1000x1500 pixels for optimal quality. Element 2. Be inspiring and stylish. Be a source of inspiration. Craft stylish and creative pins to capture your audience's attention. Element 3. Think about usability. Make sure your pins are easy to navigate and understand, optimizing the user experience. Infographics are perfect to use. Element 4. Be mobile-friendly. With most Pinterest users on mobile, ensure your pins are mobile-friendly for seamless browsing. Element 5. Express your branding. Consistent branding helps your content stand out and builds brand recognition. Element 6. Ensure good description. Craft engaging descriptions to boost pin discoverability. Element 7. Respond actively. Lastly, don't be a stranger. Stay engaged with your audience by responding actively to comments and messages. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.